All right, back here at this project in El Dorado Hills. No, this is Granite Bay. Here to check on some plants, make sure everything's growing right. We had one tree over there, we'll get to it, fall over in the last windstorm, needs a new stake. Checking out how plants are going. Looks like the Russian sage and the Texas sage mostly been eaten by deer. Maybe we'll replace the Russian sage with lavender. Maybe we'll do Caprosima or more Golden Breath of Heaven instead of the Texas sage. Well, this took a lot of water during the rainy season. Steps came out nice. Yeah, see that Russian sage in the cage looks good. Texas sage looks great over here. First time using it. I'm not a fan so far. Yeah, there's the tree. Palo Verde. Yeah, it's been laid down for about a week or so we're just gonna replace it. All in all, happy client. I'd call it the best yard on the street. All in all,